Yes, we are in Japan. This is the airport. Number 5 is where we got our bags from. Number 5, first time for Japan. Papa's excited. We're both excited. Oh, that was close. Okay, then that was close. So we got here at 1 o'clock and we can't check in at the Hotel Tokyo trip. Bubba's excited. We managed to get here. And it Bubba helped along the way. Bubba wants to go and check it out. There's Bubba. Here's Bubba here. Bubba's in Japan. She's got her coffee and she's on the run. She's excited. She says, you got to go. You have to come to Japan. Everyone goes to Japan. I said, okay, Bubba. First time in Japan. So the road's here, so we're just staying there, which is pretty close to the train. I always use booking.com. So I use booking.com with their maps, always, so I can see the location of where the hotel is to the train. So she says, oh, very expensive, the taxi says, so make sure I get it near the train. So anyway, she's looking at food.
Yeah.
So we can't check in until 3 o'clock.
I saw some sashimi there.
Okay, so we can't check in until 3 o'clock, but we had a nice coffee while we're waiting. So this is it. This is part of a bit of Tokyo so far. I'm going to look around on the trains and see. So far, it looks pretty interesting, actually, I've got to say. Bubba's excited. This lady here, she's excited. You got to go to Tokyo. Huh? What is that? She's trying to work out these shops, so as you can see, the language, you know, English is not so good here, but there are English people speaking here. Sushi bar? No, Bubba, I'm not a fan of sushi.
Yeah, I will just get for me and then...
I'm not a fan of sushi, Bubba.
I will just get this takeaway.
Takeaway?
And then we can eat somewhere.
Okay, you have sushi because I eat sushi. I don't know if I... So she's going to go here.
We need 10 pieces. Oh, this is 9 pieces, 9.50, 9.50. So, already good.
It's cold food, Bubba. Huh? Cold food, yeah. Not sushi. I don't know. It's cold food, isn't it?
Oh, there's no salmon.
Salmon?
Salmon? No.
They just make it up.
What only salmon? A la carte.
Yeah? Where is she?
Mask.
Mask?
This one.
There's a train station there. Napori. This one. The train, and we end up going around here. We went down here to the hotel. Anyway, we'll know next time. Bubba's likes her little gadgets. Bubba's gadgets. Huh? When they're shopping?
Skank.
Bubba likes. Bubba, you won't need to go to Korea now.
Yeah. Go to Korea.
No.
What's this though?
No. Bubba won't. When they go to Korea now, Bubba's supposed to go to Korea. Huh? What? Oh, no. No, dear. Not the face wrinkle cream.
Right.
No, dear. You can't understand it. Look at it there. Look. Majority it's all in Japanese. It's Japanese. There's some, no, it's all Japanese.
No, this is cheaper, they say.
This one, Success.
This one is good for, you know,
Gatsby.
Oil control.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know Gatsby's good for their hair stuff. But there, that's Gatsby. Gatsby. This is the one. This is the one. And stuff for this here. It's all Japanese.
I like this mask.
Huh? Mask.
$5 to $8. $5 only. Oh, this one. How was this lavender?
How do you know what it says, Bubba?
Because I tried this before.
But like, I mean, just here. What is it? Can you understand what it is? No. Briefly, it's just a picture. No.
This is lavender.
Oh, obviously, you know, it's a toothbrush. You can't go wrong with that. Hair colour. That's in English as well. That's there, not Japanese. L'Oreal, but it's still got Japanese on there. But this here, that's in English. Calm Night Repair Shampoo. Yeah, there's some, you know roughly what it is, but the detail of it.
This one is only $4 here.
What is it?
The Japanese bubble with
you've got plenty of weight in your bag. You've only got 13 kilos in your bag, haven't you, dear? So you can, but you want to make sure you bag it up so it doesn't.
The small one. There should be a small one. There should
Lady in the Cosmetics.
There should be a small one.
Lady in the Cosmetics. See drinks here. So this stuff. Energy drinks. Powder. Charge. I don't know what this stuff here is. Like a drink or something. Oral solution. Stuff here. Very interesting. Chocolate. Huh? What? Where is she? Huh? Sorry. What have you spotted now, dear?
The lip gloss.
Ah,
we
lip.
Try. Lip gloss. Maybe here. I thought. What's the best seller here? There's a lot of food here, Baba. Matcha. What's this?
Baba,
Mochi?
7eleven. This is here. I'll try this one here at 7eleven.
This one.
It's a pancake red bean paste in whipped cream.
This one is nice.
That looks nice, dear.
This one looks nice.
This one looks nice. Is this green? Oh, matcha. Well, it's the home of green tea, isn't it? It's this one here.
What's that?
Matcha pudding and sauce.
Yeah.
Matcha pudding and sauce.
Looks good, Baba. This one.
Yeah.
Let me try one.
Yeah. Pork ham, but just like that one.
This one, the chicken, the egg one.
Chicken?
Egg one.
Yeah.
Actually, there's more.
I was looking at these. This one here. This one is like sealed up. It's a magazine, but I'm assuming it's one of those magazines. Sealed up. Bubba's like, hey, you don't need that. I said no. So this is all the stuff here. Green, Bubba? This one here. Green apple tea. Huh? This one here, green apple tea. Obviously, Japan is the home of the green tea, isn't it, really? Peach tea, milk tea, lemon tea. This one here too. Oh, this is green tea here. This one. This is like green tea. Because I'm a huge fan of green tea. I have to try this too. Roasted green, got roasted green tea. Jasmine tea. I was excited to be in a 7eleven. Hey, what else did you spot? All these, look at these meals, Bubba.
Yeah, there's some bubble.
Yeah,
You don't have to.
all these meals. Hey,
Yeah, we
this
don't
one.
have breakfast.
7eleven. This, it's actually the biggest 7eleven amount of meals already pre-made. This one. This one's pork, sausage, and bacon, garlic chili. What else we got? Yeah, and they got fish here as well. Is that fish? I can't read that one. All the meals, it's just all made. This one here. Salad, oh, that's really good. This is all your cup of soup. What would you have soup but? Bob's going for the green tea ice creams.
Ah, this is the one that I saw, creme
What?
brulee from the How much is this?
What is it? You saw that, did you?
We try, yeah, the cream brulee. But no. We try this. 368.
This one here. Probably a green tea ice cream. Meals there.
We try first.
Yeah. I got beers. This was the Japanese beers. Or mixed beers. I got green tea beer. No, I don't know.
One water.
What's this one? Not sure.
$1.
I have no idea what that says. But anyway. Huh? It's all the alcohol here.
Huh?
Obviously you don't need a lot. In Australia you need a license to sell that. But this one here. Looks like green tea, watery green tea. Looks like it. Where's that Bubba? Where's Bubba? Where's Bubba? Where is she? There she is. Hello. Bubba, this one here. Chicken breasts. More meals here. Chocolate mint ice bars. Broccoli, this is it. Bubba's, this is Bubba's section. Bubba's in the beauty section. Hey Bubba. Bubba's in the beauty section. Hey? The Mecca? Is it a Mecca for Bubba? Is it a Mecca, Bubba? This one? Actually I want to try, I want to try this one over here. I think this one here would be nice. This one here. I think this would be really nice to taste. One of these. I want to taste this one. It's a pancake red bean paste whipped cream. 180. So I'm going to get this one and try it. I reckon that'll be very nice. See, right there. This one. Yeah, and get this one here. I'll get that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so a bit of an issue with the room, because I put one guest, he wanted to charge me 300 yen extra, so about 68, but anyway, we got him down to 2,000, so that was on booking.com. I made a mistake, I had to put, but Bubba wanted a nice room. This is very flash, so I guess you make mistakes, you need to let them know. So that's the view here. And Bubba said, I want a good room. So this is a good room for you, Bubba. It's a TV. I don't know, TCL. The aircon. Hopefully the aircon works. Yeah, so there you go. Well, the aircon's here. The aircon looks it's pretty flash. Okay, so we checked in on room 305 and had a bit of an issue with the putting the guest. I put one guest down, I should have put two, so he wanted me to charge me 3,000 yen more, so we said no, that's not right, so we had to pay extra, got us down to 2,000 yen. So yeah, Bubba said you want a nice room. This is a nice room, Bubba. Hope Bubba's happy. It does look quite nice actually. There's a TV there. So yeah, I made a mistake on the guest, but it's pretty close to the train there, so yeah. It says 6 o'clock. I don't think it's 6 o'clock there. It can't be 6 o'clock. I haven't showed the bathroom because Bubba's in the bathroom. So I'll go in there and I'll show you the bathroom.